Every single day, $9.6 trillion changes hands in the global currency market. That's more money than most countries make in a year. But here is the $1 million question. Where does that all the volume comes actually? Is it the forex spot market, the wild decentralized world of banks and brokers, or is it the currency future, the regulated exchange traded area? Let's settle this debate once and for all. Let's start with the undisputed heavyweight champion, the forex spot market. This is where currencies are traded for immediate delivery. Think bank, hedge funds, and multinational corporations swapping billions in real time. It's a decentralized over-the-counter market with no central exchange, and it is absolutely massive. According to Bank of International Settlements, the central bank for the central banks, the entire OTC FX market averaged $9.6 trillion per day in April 2025. And that is how much of that is pure spot trading, about $2.57 trillion a day. That's the giant. But now let's look at the challenger. Now let's talk about the currency future market. There are standard contracts traded on the exchange like CME Group with transparent pricing, central clearing, and no counterparty risks. So, how does it stack up? In 2025, the CME FX market cleared over $43 trillion in notional value for the entire year. And on average day, we are talking about $85.7 billion in daily volume. In the first half of 2025, that was the number was even higher, hitting $96 billion per day. That's impressive. But hold on, compare that to the spot market of 2.57 trillion. The spot market is roughly 27 times larger than the future market. So, where is the real volume, the spot market or the future market? But this is the big, but that doesn't mean that future are irrelevant. Think of it, the spot market is the deep ocean, vast, powerful, and where the big whale swim. Currency futures are like the well regulated harbor, smaller but safer, more transparent, and growing fast. Futures are booming, with record open and over 1,000 active firms. But in terms of sheer size, spot still reigns the supreme. So whether you are a spot trader chasing the liquidity or a future trader love transparency, know this. The volume is real on both the side, just on real different scales.